Hey guys, today we're going to be reviewing Kaomi Beauty hair. I'm going to be unboxing and doing the full install plus wash and go on this hair. I did get 3 bundles in the 4A texture, and you guys, this hair is a lot better than I could have ever wished for. So keep on watching and I'm going to tell you guys all about it. So even though the webs may look pretty average size, this is a lot of hair. I only used 2 bundles for my entire install, so yes. I did wash the hair with Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. I started off first by just wetting the hair to see how receptive it was to water, and I think that it does behave a lot like my natural hair, where it's gonna take a little second to completely be drenched with water, but it does eventually become fully drenched. So I would say it took about 15 seconds per bundle to be completely drenched. And as you can see, the water does weigh this hair down, and although it appears to be a looser texture, to me I think it looks like in between 3C and 4A. It actually becomes a lot more coarse when it's dry. So you'll see me shampoo and condition the hair and then add my leave-in conditioner, and then I'll come back to you guys when that process is done. So enjoy the music.
Laying in my bed, I'm falling. What it be one said, I'm all in. I couldn't care less as long as you're burning blue, burning blue. I'm burning blue. I'm letting it burn, letting it burn. Feel it in the air, my cold flame, dripping everywhere. I'm all in. I don't even care as long as you're like king, laying in my bed. I'm cool, yeah. Whatever you said, I'm all in. I couldn't care less as long as you're.
So guys, this is the leave-in conditioner that I like to use with my own natural hair. So naturally I already had it, and I thought that it should be able to behave the same way with this hair, and this hair was really receptive to my leave-in conditioner. So all the videos that I watched of girls who had these kinky curly sew-ins, they all said to treat this hair as if you would your real hair, and I am treating this hair exactly as I would if it were my own. So yes, this hair does not shed a lot at all. This is all the hair that I got with all of my finger detangling throughout the entire wash process. Something that you should really consider with this hair is that if you do not put in effort to define it, it will become an afro. So definitely consider that. I did actually have an afro after the install, and I didn't show that. But yes, this hair can become really coarse. So if you want those more defined curls, then I would definitely define it as if you would your real hair. But I might also be sporting my afro, so you definitely have some versatility and options with this hair. So guys, here are some texture shots of the hair almost dry and then completely dry. This is the very next day. I wouldn't say that it takes all night to dry, but there are some parts that were still a little bit damp. But this texture is so beautiful. I definitely do see that it's 4A here. And I'll let you guys enjoy the texture shots. So now I am at my stylist getting my hair done, and you guys, I love her because she takes care of my natural hair. My hair has grown so much since I've been with her. The wash and shampoo is always included. She's always so gentle, and I am so glad that I found her. So yes, guys, definitely make sure that you're taking care of your own hair underneath your installs. My goal is to have my hair be as long as my extensions one day so that I don't have to wear extensions anymore. But you guys will see how this install comes out. I was so satisfied. It's so healing to me as a Black woman to find hair that is my texture, or at least very close to it, and to learn to love myself with my own texture. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this. I will be coming back with an update and wash and go turn out soon. So bye.